Hello guys, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to redeem Western Union points. If you have a Western Union Gold card and use it frequently, you may have reward points. You can redeem points for various items such as gift cards, cashback, or free phone minutes. Rewards points expire 2 years after the date of issue, so it's best to redeem them right away to prevent losing them. To redeem points online, Step 1. Log into the Gold Card website at westernunion/goldcard. Enter your username and password in the appropriate fields and click Login. This should take you to the account page, which shows you the number of points you have. Step 2. Choose a reward from the choice listed. The choices include such rewards as $5 cash back at or $12 off your next transaction. Click the box underneath your desired reward. Step 3. Confirm your reward. After you click on a reward choice, an information page will appear. This page will show the reward you want to claim and allow you to finish your order. Click Complete Order and your confirmed reward will appear on the next page. If you want to select another reward, go back to your account page and choose again. Or if you want to do it on the website or app, log into your Western Union profile. On the menu, select My Western Union. Select Redeem Points and then click on Yes in the pop-up. Select Use Reward. The discount will be automatically applied to your next transfer fee. Or if you have a Western Union portal, log into your profile and go to Western Union Rewards. Go to Rewards section to view your rewards option. Choose your reward and select Use Reward. This discount will be applied automatically to your next transfer fee. You can use your My Western Union points till they expire as per My Western Union terms and conditions. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.